Advanced robotics handle the heavy lifting, moving crates with precision as the organic material meets state-of-the-art automation.
Rich in natural calcium, these organic remnants serve as the sturdy foundation for what will become a refining miracle.
The conveyor belt carries the sorted bones into the dark tunnel, marking the transition from sorting to active cleaning. High-pressure water jets blast away all surface impurities instantly, cleaning the organic material with incredible force and speed. Massive rotating drums continue the washing process, enveloping the materials in steam and heat to ensure deep sanitation. We enter the boiling section, where huge stainless steel tanks tower overhead, utilizing heat and pressure for extraction.
Immense pressure and searing heat work together in these tanks to effectively strip away all remaining organic matter.
Inside the tank, a chaotic and turbulent boiling process separates the fats, leaving only the mineral structure behind.
Completely stripped of gelatin and grease, the dried bones are now perfectly prepped and ready for the giant kiln. The dried material enters the giant rotary kiln, a massive cylinder where extreme heat performs the critical calcination process. Temperatures exceeding 1,000 degrees blast into the chamber, stripping the material down to its purest mineral form. Inside the rotating inferno, the bones tumble and transform, turning black then white as organic compounds are incinerated. What emerges is pure calcium phosphate, cascading out of the kiln in a dusty, pristine white stream of minerals. Giant industrial mills crush the calcined structure into microscopic dust, preparing the base for our smooth toothpaste formulation. Inside the mill, heavy steel balls crash against the material in a violent dance, pulverizing it into a uniform powder. Massive storage silos hold tons of this fine powder, ready to be mixed into the toothpaste base at a moment's notice.
Now, chemistry takes over as we enter the formulation lab, where the powder meets the liquid base under strict supervision.
Glycerin acts as a humectant, keeping the paste moist and smooth, pouring like liquid glass into the mixing vessel.
Sorbitol joins the mix, blending seamlessly with the glycerin to create the perfect body and consistency for the paste.
Xanthan gum is added as a binding agent, its microscopic texture captured here as it hits the liquid surface.
The vacuum mixer is the heart of the operation, a massive stainless steel vessel where all ingredients finally unite.
With a simple touch, the automated blending process begins, controlled by a modern and precise digital interface. Powerful blades are ready to blend thousands of liters, beginning their rotation in the empty stainless steel abyss. First, the liquid base is pumped into the mixer, cascading down the sides like a controlled industrial waterfall. Vacuum pressure pulls the bone powder in, preventing air bubbles and creating a cloud that instantly merges with the liquid. As the blades fold the material over, the mixture transforms into a thick, glossy white paste that we recognize as toothpaste.
Fluoride is added with microscopic precision using a digital scale, ensuring the exact amount needed to fight cavities.
To ensure even distribution, the fluoride is first dissolved in purified water, creating a consistent solution before mixing. Essential oils like peppermint are stored in dedicated drums, ready to provide the signature fresh taste consumers love.
Rich and concentrated, the golden mint oil is poured with care, its potent aroma implied by its viscous glow. Flavor is injected late in the process to preserve its potency, spraying a fine mist that coats the white paste.
Sodium lauryl sulfate is added in the form of white beads, the key ingredient responsible for the toothpaste's foaming action.
High-speed homogenization ensures a perfectly smooth texture, as the mixer spins rapidly to blend every ingredient uniformly. Real-time monitoring tracks the viscosity curve,
confirming that the paste is reaching the precise thickness required for packaging. Removing air is crucial for density and preservation, confirmed as the vacuum gauge needle drops to near zero.
The result is a stable, effective, and flavorful compound. A perfect glossy white paste ready for the world.
A sample is drawn to check the consistency, revealing a thick yet flowable texture that is characteristic of high-quality toothpaste.
For packaging, the batch must pass strict laboratory tests, starting with a detailed visual inspection on a sterile slide.
A pH meter probe is inserted to ensure the acidity is perfectly balanced, guaranteeing the product is safe for enamel.
Viscosity must be perfect, not too runny, not too hard, so a specialized machine measures the resistance to ensure squeezability.
Under the microscope, we verify that the abrasive particles are uniform and smooth, preventing any damage to tooth enamel. Powerful pumps transfer the finished paste through a network of stainless steel pipes, heading towards the packaging hall. You can almost feel the density of the paste as the heavy industrial pumps vibrate with the effort of moving it. We arrive at the tube-making area, where massive rolls of laminate foil wait to be formed into containers.
Flat laminate sheets are unrolled at high speed, already printed with the brand logo, racing towards the forming mandrel.
The flat laminate is wrapped around a precision mandrel, transforming instantly from a printed sheet into a perfect cylindrical tube.
A high-frequency weld seals the side seam instantly, creating a durable bond that turns the wrapped sheet into a cylinder.
A rotary knife spins at blinding speed, cutting the continuous tube into precise individual lengths for the filling line.
Nearby, the injection molding section works tirelessly, producing thousands of durable plastic caps from raw pellets.
The tube body is fused to the rigid plastic shoulder using precise heat, creating a seamless and leak-proof bond. Before filling begins, the cap is automatically screwed onto the tube, sealing the top end securely.
We enter the filling hall, where a massive carousel rotates with hypnotic precision, carrying the empty tubes to be filled.
With mesmerizing synchronization, the empty tubes drop into their holders, ready to receive the toothpaste.
A blast of purified air cleans the interior of every tube, ensuring a sterile environment before the product is introduced. The filling nozzles dive deep into the tubes, filling them from the bottom up to prevent air pockets.
An X-ray simulation reveals the paste rising smoothly inside the tube, displacing air as the nozzle retracts.
A clean mechanical cutoff ensures that absolutely no product is wasted or smeared on the tube's sealing edge. Filled but still open at the bottom, the tubes race towards the crimping station, where they will be permanently sealed.
Heated jaws clamp down with immense pressure, crimping the open end and sealing the toothpaste inside forever.
A laser etches the batch code onto the crimp, creating a permanent record for traceability and quality assurance. Finally, a trimming blade cuts the crimped edge to be perfectly straight, removing excess material for a clean finish. Finished tubes eject from the carousel, sliding down a chute to join a growing pile of completed product. Every single tube passes over a check weigher, where a red light instantly flags and rejects any unit that is underfilled. An automated air blast instantly rejects any defective tube, blowing it off the line to ensure only perfect units proceed.
The cartoning machine works like lightning, popping flat boxes open with mechanical precision to prepare them for insertion. A mechanical arm gently but firmly shoves the finished tube into its box, ensuring a perfect fit every time. Hot melt glue seals the box flaps instantly, securing the product for its journey to the customer. A river of finished boxes flows down the main line, showcasing the massive scale of daily production.
Groups of 12 are bundled together and shrink-wrapped in the heat tunnel, creating sturdy packs ready for shipping. A massive robotic arm stacks the bundles onto a wooden pallet, building a tower of product with tireless precision. To secure the load for transport, the entire pallet spins rapidly while being wrapped in layers of protective plastic. A forklift moves in to pick up the secured pallet, carrying it into the depths of the massive storage warehouse.
Thousands of pallets are stored in this immense warehouse, awaiting shipment to retailers in every corner of the globe.
From raw bone to finished tube, the journey is complete as the forklift loads the final pallet into the waiting truck.
As the sun sets, the truck departs the factory, leaving the industrial world behind to deliver smiles to the public. The destination is a pristine luxury bathroom, where the product sits on a marble counter, ready to brighten smiles and protect health.
A hand picks up the tube and unscrews the cap, a simple daily action that connects the consumer to the factory's work.
The perfect swirl of paste is squeezed onto the brush, a blend of science, industry, and daily care.
We flash back to where it all began, the raw bones arriving at the dock.
The intense heat of the kiln fire, transforming organic matter into pure mineral.
The mesmerizing swirl of the mixer, blending ingredients into a perfect white paste.
And the high-tech precision of the filling machine, sealing the quality inside every tube.
Transformation complete, the final result is a confident smile, reflecting the care and science put into every tube.
Standing tall against the darkness, the finished product represents a perfect union of nature.